Triton Electric Vehicle LLC, a New Jersey-based company with significant operations in India, has developed a hydrogen internal combustion engine, positioning it as a competitor to traditional electric vehicles, EVs. This engine, which only emits water vapor, promises higher efficiency and lower operational costs compared to conventional gasoline engines. Triton's innovation, particularly aimed at heavy vehicles, could challenge market leaders like Tesla by addressing issues such as limited driving range and long charging times. The company seeks collaborations to expand the use of this technology across the automotive industry.